Hi, my name is Holly Olson and I will be doing my student presentation on PHP switch control structure. What is PHP switch, you might wonder? The switch statement is similar to a series of if statements on the same expression. Do you remember what an if statement looks like? If you don't, I can help you with that. In CIT 160, I wrote a program called Shoes, where I used the if statement, and here is that code. This is the layout of an if statement. If text, because we have variable text, and the if statement says, if text equals hot, your message comes out, wear sandals. Else if, meaning you have another possibility. If text equals rain, you wear galoshes. Else if text equals snow, the message is wear boots. Then there is the else, meaning you get another answer other than hot, rain, or snow, and it tells you to wear shoes. Now I will quickly run that for you so you can see what it does. So we put in hot. It tells us to wear sandals. We put in rain. Whoops. We put in rain. It tells us to wear galoshes. We put in snow. And it tells us to wear boots. But what if we what if the weather wasn't hot or rainy or snowy? What if it was just windy? It would pull from the else statement and tell you to wear shoes. So that is the if statement. Why would you use PHP Switch? In many occasions, you may want to compare the same variable or expression with many different values and execute a different piece of code depending on which value it equals. Now I am going to show you what a PHP switch code looks like. As you can see, this code is very similar to the JavaScript if, else if statement. Now, but it does look a little different. There's different words and symbols used. For PHP, how they symbolize variable is with the $sign. So this variable is favorite color. It's fave color. And here, where it says var text, you go down and it says if text equals hot, it says message wear sandals. Well, with PHP switch, you don't have to write if, else if, else if, else. You just put in curly brackets, case, red. And instead of putting message, you put echo. And so you put your favorite color is red. Or case is blue. And your message is, your echo is your favorite color is blue. Or case green, and your message is favorite color is green. Now where here we had else as the default, else if there was something else put in, and it brought up wear shoes. Here, if you don't have your favorite color as red, blue, or green, it puts as default, your echo, your favorite color is neither red, blue, nor green. Now I want to show you what that looks like. So I put the code, which I copied from W3 Schools, into my NetBeans account. And here you can see is the code. Now I have saved it, but I'll save it again oh no, it says I've saved it. And I go here and I push run, and I will run the program. Now remember in the class, first week of class, Brother Blizzard said you needed to just get rid of this and just put in localhost. Well, I did that and it brought up where I could click on source files, and then on colors. Okay, so here we see the output. The output that you see is your favorite color is red, because right here it says for the variable favorite color, fave color is equal to red. But let's switch that and say, how about blue? Let's go over here and save it. And now it says your favorite color is blue. But what if my favorite color is green? So let's put in green. And, oh, where's save? Oh, I'm not there. Okay. Save. Your favorite color is green. But what if my favorite color was purple? As you can see, there is no purple in these colors. So it'll go to the default. Your favorite color is neither red, blue, nor green. Let's save that. Just a second. Okay, let's save it. Your favorite color is purple. And as you can see, it says your favorite color is neither red, blue, nor green. Now I'll go back here, change this back to red. So as you can see from this example, it is very similar to JavaScript if statement. One thing you need to remember though, yes, you have to use the correct words, because if you try to use if or else if, it's not going to work. Or message, you have to use case and echo. It is important to understand how the switch statement is executed in order to avoid mistakes. The switch statement executes line by line, actually statement by statement. In the beginning, no code is executed. Only when a case statement is found whose expression evaluates to a value that matches the value of the switch expression does PHP begin to execute the statements. PHP continues to execute the statements until the end of the switch block or the first time it sees a break statement. If you don't write a break statement at the end of a case statements list, PHP will go on executing the statement of the following case. So let's go back and see what happens if we took out the breaks. Because it says it'll just keep running if we don't have the break statements, the break written in here. Let's see what happens. File, save. It says your favorite color is red, your favorite color is blue, your favorite color is green, your favorite color is neither red, blue, nor green. So we need those when writing PHP Switch. You need to make sure you put the break statements in, or you will have your code just run straight through without stopping, without even considering what it needs to. Let me save this again after fixing it. These are my resources that I got my information from. W3 Schools, PHP.net, the manual, and Guru 99. Thank you for watching.